Hello everyone, my name is Ritik Anand and I am pursuing BCA from DAV Institute of Engineering and Technology. And BCA is basically a course which teaches us what are the different parts in a computer, and it teaches us which language are there in computer, for example C, Java, Python and etc. And in my short-term goals, I have a goal to be the part of top 5 IT companies in India, and in my long-term goals, I want to open an IT company with the motive of social welfare and profit making. And my inspiration is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is a famous football player, and he is my inspiration because he is very disciplined man. He never misses his practice, and like him, I don't want to miss my any practice, and I want to be successful in life. And for my weaknesses, I am not socially active. It is my weakness, and currently I live as a middle class, part of middle class, and in future I want to be the part of upper class and contribute to the society. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Umang Behar. I have done my 10th class from St. Joseph Boys School, and I have done my 12th class from Innocent Hearts, and I am now pursuing BCA at David Institute of Engineering and Technology. In that course we study about the hardware and the software parts of the computer and the various language that computer understand. And my goals in life is that I want to become a software developer in any big MNC like Google and Microsoft, and I want to gain experience in that companies, and then I want to open my own company with my brothers. My idol is my brother. He is a software developer. He always guides me, and he wants me that I become successful in life. And my perspective of life is that life is simple if we don't take stress and we just get into the moment, and we have to maintain that consistency in every work we do so that we can become successful. And my perspective is that I also work at the weekends because I want to reach at the top. Not everyone is working on the weekends, so I do, so I can become different from others, and and my strengths are that I don't back off from the challenges of life, and my weaknesses are that I sometimes if anyone ask help from me, I sometimes being more kind to others, so I now try to prioritize myself first. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanisha Jain. I am basically from Yamuna Nagar and my schooling is from Springfields Public School. And I am completing my undergraduate course BCA from this prestigious college. My short-term goal is to get admission in the Christ University for MCA, and long-term goal is to get placed in well-reputed company. From my point of view, career is most important because it defines our identity, what we are and what we want to be. I want to live life by making new friends, socialize me and stay strong or just start. The idol of my life is my mother because she's such an inspiring and a hardworking who always supports me. My perspective of life is just go with flow. Talking about my hobbies are singing, reading novels, and doing acting or monologue. And talking about my achievements, I have also achieved a second prize in the inter-house debate competition and second medal in badminton at my school level, and also achieved many certificates in that. Thank you. That's all about.